Takayasu and Tochinoshin up now, both at 5 and 2.
東方トチノシン、東前橋が6枚目、グルジアムチケタ出身春日の上。
Tochinoshin looked good yesterday with an acrobatic uchari,
That was fabulous.
flipping Okinoumi around.
Well, Tochinoshin, I mean, he's very strong, and he sometimes comes out with these great moves.
And Magashita 6, it's a rank he can excel at.
Yeah, I mean, as you say, he's doing fine.
Equally nice job by Takayasu in this first week.
Is Tochinoshin still running around the streets pulling tyres and things like that?
I think his Boyakata had a talk with him. Time to grow up.
Anyway, his muscles look good.
俺もっと切っちゃう。
Takayasu, only 22 years old, he'll turn 23 next month. One of the youngest in the division. He's never beaten Tochinoshin though. They've met 3 times previously. Looking confident, Tochinoshin. Getting forced back at the moment by Takayasu. Excellent pushing by Takayasu today, not allowing Tochinoshin his favorite left hand outside grip. Takayasu winning that match with speed and power at the tachiai. Oshidashi. Tsukidashi, they call it a thrust out.
Yes, again, a very good low tachiai from Takayasu has Tochinoshin up in the air. And in fact, Takayasu just kept going. Very nicely done. Tochinoshin no chance to do anything at the edge this time. Good stuff from Takayasu. Totally centered. Tochinoshin even tried a meaningless pull. Desperately. Takayasu could go a long way, I think.
Currently at Magashita 7, his highest rank has been Magashita 1. Has yet to break into Sanyaku, but perhaps we'll see him up there sometime this year.
As you say, he's still young, so good chance.
6 and 2 mark.